11:16-25. The three topics are breeze, hurricane, and wind. These words came at 11:21 p.m. The wind blows, the breeze is a whisper. The aggression of a hurricane is damaging. I am the breeze. The hurricane is the world. The wind is the spirit that moves a man either toward me or against me. You have the breeze. It is delicate and kind, and you feel it. The hurricane is coming and will be harsh. The whole world will be in shock. Pray for the men to be blown to me. The time it approaches, you feel it, but you reject it. Not because you don't believe, but because it is something not to dwell upon. You know I have the details. You walk in trust. It will happen when it happens, sooner than later. The world is about to explode. Each country is like an octopus with many things the leaders have crafted to explode at once. No one will see the simultaneous issues because they will be dealing with their own regional issues. I will see them erupt at once. Keep praying back the boundaries. Keep praying aggressively, even though it seems peaceful. The enemy is simply recouping, looking for a new avenue. Keep your boundaries strong. Ionia comes closer. You know of what I speak. Rise up with authority. Speak with confidence. I am the great I am, and I will uphold you. Bond with me. The moment approaches to come home. Be ready to leave everything and come home. Nothing will be the same after this. Back to your rightful throne. Brought up to speed on everything. Come home. Gilboa is calling. Gilboa awaits. And 11:21, the time it started, in the Hebrew is son or child, and in the Greek is writing. And that is one of the tasks that I do have in heaven. So the verses, 1 Kings 19:12, Then Jezebel sent a messenger to Elijah, saying, So let the gods do more to me, and more also, if I do not make your life as the life of one of them by tomorrow about this time. Psalm 50, verse 3, Our God shall come, and he shall not keep silent. A fire shall devour before him, and it shall be very tempestuous all around him. John 3:8, The winds blow where it wishes, and you hear the sound of it, but cannot tell where it comes from and where it goes. So is everyone who is born of the Spirit. Ephesians 4:14, That we should no longer be children, tossed to and fro, and carried about with every wind of doctrine, by the trickery of men, in the cunning craftiness and deceitful plotting. Job 1:10, Have you not made a hedge around him, around his household, and around all that he has on every side? You have blessed the work of his hands, and his possessions have increased in the land. Psalm 125:2, As the mountains surround Jerusalem, so the Lord surrounds his people from this time forth and forever. Psalm 34:7, The angel of the Lord encamps around all those who fear him and delivers them. So I hope you find that encouraging. See you next time.